Top 5 animals with totally crazy body parts. Number 1. Proboscis monkeys. Proboscis. As its name implies, the homely proboscis monkey has a strange-looking nose. Although the animal's name doesn't suggest that any other part of its body is in any way bizarre, the male of the species has a penis that can only be described as totally bizarre. The Jimmy Durante of the animal world, the somehow sad-looking proboscis monkey has a nose like a banana, except that it's orange, rather than yellow. In addition to its big nose, writer Brad Joseph says, the monkey is cursed with a pot belly, crazy voice box, and several other bizarre features, once discovered, are never forgotten. The belly's size is explained by its function. The stomach serves as a fermentation vat, in which gut flora convert leaves structural cellulose into usable sugar and detoxify poisonous alkaloids. The nose is either easily explained or inexplicable. The former is true if scientists are correct in assuming that the proboscis monkey's proboscis is attractive to females. The latter is likely if the scientists' hypothesis is false. One thing is certain, though, the animal's nose has unmistakable presence. Not only is it there, but it's impossible to miss. The other unique and attention-getting characteristic of the monkey, as Joseph calls it, is the proboscis monkey's penis. Always erect, the cone-shaped scarlet member rearing aloft from a black scrotum constantly perspires as a means of releasing excess sodium. Joseph explains, a necessity for life in the salty, mangrove forests in which the monkey makes its home. Number 2. Venomous platypus's feet. More animals than might be thought have really strange feet. One of the most bizarre of these body parts are those of the venomous platypus. Mindy Weisberger's description of the platypus itself also perfectly captures the appearance of their feet in particular. They do, indeed, look like they were stitched together by a rogue taxidermist from the feet of unrelated animals, as a prank. A wrinkled, leathery web fans out from the foot's 5 claws, which emerge, seemingly abruptly, from the end of each leg. The claws lie along bifurcated folds, each pair of which connect a section of web on either side of it, further complicating the look of the animal's bizarre feet. In males, the claws are loaded with venom, Weisberger says, which scientists believe may be used to dissuade competitive suitors from pursuing their romantic interest in females when mating season rolls around. Number 3. Shoebill storkspill. Although humans are not on the menu of the shoebill stork, baby alligators are part of the bird's diet, as are such fare as lungfish, eels, catfish, and crazy stuff like Nile monitor lizards, and snakes. Writer Nicholas Lund observes, its predatory ways are simple but effective. It stands and waits. When prey approaches, it lunges, scooping its next meal into its massive bill, along with whatever else happens to be in the vicinity, whether water, mud, vegetation, or other hapless fish. Then, the stork shakes its head back and forth to get rid of the debris it may have collected along with its prey, before using its massive bill to decapitate its live, squirming quarry. At this point, it's all over but the swallowing. Number 4. Spanish Rib Newt's ribs. The Spanish Rib Newt doesn't use its ribs just for the support of its abdomen. According to Matt Walker, an editor at Earth News, when it is under attack, the newt pushes out its ribs until they pierce through its body, exposing a row of bones that act like poisonous barbs. Astonishingly, the newt is none the worse for having adopted this bizarre defense maneuver. Thanks to photographic and X-ray imaging technology, scientists have determined how the aquatic salamander accomplishes this incredible feat. By swinging its ribs forward so that they are at an angle of 50 degrees relative to its spine but keeping still otherwise, the newt stretches its skin until it is penetrated by the ribs, says Egon Heiss of the University of Vienna in Austria. At the same time, the newt secretes a poisonous milky substance, Heiss adds. The combination of the poison and the spikes formed by the protruding ribs is highly effective, he declares, causing either the predator's death or the attacker's experience of agonizing pain. It helps considerably that the newt is immune to its own poison. Number 5. Sheepshead fish's teeth. The sheepshead fish's teeth are so bizarre they are downright unsettling. They are not the huge, jagged teeth most fish flash. Instead, they are fairly even and similar in size to one another. The fish has teeth that look much like human incisors, canine teeth, premolars, and molars. It wouldn't be much of a stretch to suggest that sheepshead fish could flash a fisherman a smile. In fact, in photographs that Nathan Martin took of the specimen he caught off Nags Head, North Carolina, recently, the fish looks as though it has been prompted to say cheese. Experts say that the fish uses its choppers to eat barnacles and other animals equipped with hard shells. To show off his catch, Martin says he plans to hang it on a wall. Then, visitors can check out its toothsome smile.